The cabin air filter in 2020-2022 Toyota Highlanders is located behind the glove compartment, not under the hood. This placement makes it easily accessible for replacement. It's crucial for trapping dust, pollen, allergens, and pollutants from entering the cabin through the HVAC system. Replacing it ensures better air quality inside your vehicle. A clean filter provides fresh, filtered air to breathe. Toyota recommends replacement every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually. First, park the vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine. Open the glove compartment and locate the two plastic stops at the top. Push or squeeze them to release. Lower the glove box fully to access the filter housing. Pull the old filter straight out. Note the airflow arrow on the filter. Insert the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing towards the vehicle's interior, usually downward or rearward. Reassemble by pushing the glove box back into place and securing the plastic stops.